Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Tether from Revolut to Arculus Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your Tether, that's USDT, the stablecoin you love for its stability, from Revolut to the secure Arculus hardware wallet, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, a little caution goes a long way to keep your funds safe. Let's dive in step by step. First things first, make sure you have the Revolut app installed on your phone and that your Arculus wallet is set up and ready to receive funds. Start by opening the Revolut app and logging into your account. Head over to the Crypto section. It's usually at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see your Tether balance. Select it to view your holdings. Next, grab your Arculus wallet. Fire it up and navigate to the Receive section. This is where you'll find your unique wallet address for Tether. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so copy it carefully to avoid any mistakes. That's crucial because crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, back in Revolut, tap on your Tether and look for the Send or Transfer option. Paste the Arculus wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check it for accuracy. One wrong character could send your Tether to the void. Enter the amount you want to transfer, keeping an eye on any fees Revolut might charge. These can vary, so aim to transfer enough to cover the costs without breaking the bank. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation screen. Review it one last time. After you approve, the transaction will be sent to the blockchain. Depending on network congestion, it might take a few minutes to an hour to show up in your Arculus wallet. A quick tip: always use the official apps and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. If you're new to this, 2025 brings some updated features in both Revolut and Arculus, like faster processing, so keep your apps updated. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Tether from Revolut to Arculus Wallet in 2025. It's simple once you know the steps, and now you're one step closer to managing your crypto like a pro. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.